How to add friends on KakaoTalk. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add friends on KakaoTalk. So without further ado, let's get started by opening the KakaoTalk app. Once you are in the app, simply look at the top right corner and you will see three icons. Settings icon, search icon and add friends icon in the middle. To add a friend, simply tap on the add friend icon and you will then see multiple options for adding friends including QR code, by contact, by ID or by inviting friends. Choose the method that works best for you. Since not all of my friends are on Kakao yet, I'll invite them instead. To do this, I'll tap on invite option and from here I can send an invitation through SMS, other apps or by copying the invitation link. For this video, I'll send invite through Messenger. After that, I'll simply select my friend and tap send and they will receive the invitation. And once they sign up, we will be able to chat on KakaoTalk. And that's it. Adding friends on KakaoTalk is super easy. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.